Making money on Behance involves showcasing your creative skills and leveraging opportunities for clients and collaborations. Here's how to do it. Build a strong portfolio. Start by uploading high-quality, diverse projects that demonstrate your skills and creativity. A well-created portfolio is essential to attract potential clients. Optimize your profile. Include a professional bio, list your skills, and add a link to your website or other platforms where clients can contact you. Make sure your profile clearly conveys your expertise. Apply to freelance projects. Behance offers a job board where clients post freelance opportunities. You can apply directly to these jobs through the Behance job listing page, which connects you to clients seeking your services. Network with the community. Engage with other creatives and clients by liking, commenting on, and following projects. This increases your visibility and can lead to collaboration opportunities. Promote your services. Use your Behance portfolio as a marketing tool by sharing it across social media platforms and in professional networks like LinkedIn. Collaborate with brands. Companies and agencies frequently browse Behance to find creative talent. Keep your portfolio updated to increase the likelihood of being contacted for paid collaborations.